Hi, everybody. Let me just adjust this quickly. Wait, there we go. Okay, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hustle Diaries. And for those who are new here, I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. A wife, a mom, and someone who's learned that sometimes the biggest limits we face are the ones we place ourselves. Today's topic is untapped potential. I have a question for you guys. Have you ever felt na kaya mo pang gumawa ng mas marami pero may something na pumipigil sa'yo? Not because wala kang talent and not because wala kang ability, but because you're holding yourself back. Minsan kasi alam natin na sarili natin na may kaya pa tayong gawin. Kaya tayo matutunan. May kaya pa tayong mga achieve, right? Pero we stay where we are comfortable. Why? Because comfort feels safe. Kapag nasa comfort zone tayo, less chance of failure, less chance of rejection, and less chance of disappointment. Pero alam niyo kung ano yung less? Less growth, less learning, less opportunities. And I realized this. Playing small doesn't protect us from regret. In fact, minsan doon pa ata galing ang regret. Yung feeling na, what if sinubukan ko? What if I believe na myself a little more? What if I didn't let fear decide for me? The truth is that most of us are capable of more than we think. Pero hindi natin malalaman kung hanggang saan ang kaya natin kung hindi tayo susubok. Hindi natin malalaman kung anong posible kung lagi tayong nasa safe zone. Growth starts when we become willing to stretch ourselves. Not because we're guaranteed success, no, but because we're willing to learn. So today, gusto ko ito ang pag-isipan nyo. Saan mo nararamdaman na hinuhold back ka ng sarili mo? Is it a goal, a dream, a skill you want to learn, a decision you've been avoiding? And what's the worst thing that could happen if you take one small step forward? Because sometimes the life we're hoping for is just waiting just outside our comfort zone, right? And the reason I also use my mobile today is because we have our webinar, which happens every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's today. And that's 8 p.m. EST. Check it this one. And so you will have, check it out. Like do your due diligence if this business is for you. Right? If you would like to check out the webinar, register to my website. That's www.barryantibaya.com, and we'll see you in the inside. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me here on Hustle Diaries. And remember, you may be capable of more than you give yourself credit for. Take care, believe in yourself, and I'll see you on day 24. Bye.